Alright, in this video I'm going to show you how to use the dado set to cut the dados on the end of your dowels here. So this dowel measures 11 inches, as you can see. And so to cut in an inch here, I'm going to start by setting the fence here to an inch less than that, which should be 10 inches. So I'll make sure the fence is set to 10 inches right there. Lock it down. Alright, so you can see what's happening under the guard, which I'm going to put down in a minute. The dado set here is 3/4 of an inch wide, so when I get to that point it's going to grind that away, and I have it set to about halfway up, which would be 3/8 of an inch. So let me get the camera in place here and we can see how this is going to work. Alright, so you can see on this miter fence here, I have marked where your thumbs go. Your thumbs go on the outside, and your fingers are going to be used to hold this down. So where you have this marked, remember, you've marked this on two faces on both ends. These are the spots that you're going to cut out. It's very important that you cut out on the same faces and you don't get this mixed up. So if you marked all the way around this thing, you need to erase those. Otherwise, you're going to end up messing this part up. So what I'm going to do is I want to take away this part right here that I've marked as an X. So I'm going to put that spot down against the table because the dado set here is going to cut all of that away. So my hands are going to stay on both sides of the guard here, and I can check against the miter fence here. You notice this is the spot where the blade's going to come through the back, and that spot should line up with the bottom of that. So you can tell by looking straight down at that before you make that cut. So I'm going to hold this against the fence. So that's where I start. Then my thumbs go behind it and my hands hold it down. So really this hand is holding it down against the table and pinching it against the miter fence. And this hand is just going to help push. Here, I'll make the first cut here. Alright, it takes a while for the saw blade to spin down, but you can see that cut halfway through there. And so now I'm going to turn this and cut on where I have this other X here. So it's going to flip like this, push it against the fence, turn the saw back on. There I have it. Now I'm going to do the other side. I'm making sure that I do the exact same spot on both of these where I marked that X. This side gone here, so I put that side down against the table. Alright, that one is done. Then I would continue and do the other three.